you, but as soon as you switch your body on, I need to trust, need to trust, need to trust from you. So I finally sleeping nights, baby. Love or lost, got me lost, don't know if it's true, but I'm staying here for you.
What can I say from miles away to clear the air? Believe it is hard for me too, baby. The time is not our desire, our picture is unclear. I want to make it work, but I'm asking for your trust, 'cause the distance can tear us apart. We'll be holding hands at the end.
I need to trust, need to trust, need to trust from you. So I finally sleeping nights, baby. Love or lost, got me lost, don't know if it's true, but I'm staying here for you. I need to trust, need to trust, need to trust. I need to trust, need to trust, need to trust from you. Run too far, there's no risk. Point 2 CT, I ain't full it. I'ma spend a couple racks on my necklace, but when it comes to money, I ain't realist.
Yeah, get what I want. Yeah.
Ask my dad, I'm a nuisance. Go ask my girl, but I know gifts. Pure raving bags with no kicks. Don't all I have, I don't take risks.
Can't help but fun. Yeah.
So throw that shit in reverse. Seeing things in slow to revert. All on my dick in 5 words. I said I bought you a purse. Yeah, on my mama, she's got it. She dripping water, this on it. Yeah, get money on my cost and no friends. Just a means to an end. Exes miss me, yeah, I bet. Still living free in their heads. Been giving time out on margin. Trading my hands like they're options. I'm against shit, don't get involved. This shit comes at a cost. They call me a Gen Z, I prefer millennial renaissance. I get just what I want, think I want more than one. She's thinking that I've had too much, but I'm just having fun. Run on too far, there's no reckless. Run on too far, there's no sense. Around on my necklace. Run too far. Think I've been going crazy. Look what you made me. So hot, turn off the AC with something lazy. I know my neck's shining. I won't let my pride in. The thunder and lightning like the eagle fighting. Should throw that shit in reverse. Seeing things in slow to revert. All on my dick in 5 words. I said I bought you a purse. Yeah, on my mama, she's got it. She dripping water, this on it. Yeah, get money on my cost and no friends. Just a means to an end. Exes miss me, yeah, I bet. Still living free in their heads. Been giving time out on margin. Trading my hands like they're options. I'm against shit, don't get involved. This shit comes at a cost. They call me a Gen Z, I prefer millennial renaissance. I get just what I want, think I want more than one. She's thinking that I've had too much, but I'm just having fun. I'm against shit, don't get involved. This shit comes at a cost. They call me a Gen Z, I prefer millennial renaissance. I get just what I want, think I want more than one. She's thinking that I've had too much, but I'm just having fun.
Mystery girl,
where might you be? I'm stuck daydreaming about fantasy. Locked in my dreams, I can't break you free. I'm hoping that one day that you'll be with me. Are you real? I don't know. I'll keep searching until I know. You're locked in my head, I can't get you out. I wish I knew how to live without you. Day by day, I feel I'm getting closer, and day by day, I'm getting lonelier. But day by day, I feel there's hope, and day by day, I know I will find you. Mystery girl, where might you be? I'm stuck daydreaming about fantasy. Locked in my dreams, I can't break you free. I'm hoping that one day that you'll be with me. I won't give up until I have you. I know you're there, I gotta keep looking for you. I know I must find a way for you to find me. And day by day, I feel I'm getting closer. But day by day, I'm getting lonelier. But day by day, I feel there's hope. And day by day, I know I will find you. Mystery girl, where might you be? I'm stuck daydreaming about fantasy. Locked in my dreams, can't break you free. I'm hoping that one day that you'll be with me. Mystery girl. Mystery girl, where might you be? I'm stuck daydreaming about fantasy. Locked in my dreams, I can't break you free. I'm hoping that one day that you'll be with me. Mystery girl, where might you be? Locked in my dreams, can't break you free. I'm hoping that one day that you'll be with me. Mystery girl, where might you be? I'm stuck daydreaming about fantasy. Locked in my dreams, I can't break you free. I'm hoping that one day that you'll be with me. Mystery girl.
The other side of the ocean makes me hide my emotions. I don't want it to be over. And when midnight comes to my arms, you're right. Another side of the mirror, I wish that you could be clearer. And when we touch the moment, it feels just unreal, making you so real. So leave me lonely, then stick around to hold me. Stay a little more than slowly walk up the door. So leave me lonely, then stick around to hold me. Stay a little more than slowly walk up the door. Are you even real? 'Cause real is how I feel. You come knocking on my heart. You come and then you go. It's high then it's low. You spin my head around. I need you so. What's this place? You exist in another metaverse. The love you in every universe. Is it real if what you are? Real if what you are? When the party's over, we still dance. That's right. Only you and me just take my hand all night. Some people say we don't make sense at all, but I only care about what you think. That's all. then slowly walk out the door. Are you even real? 'Cause feelings don't feel you. Come knocking on my heart. You come and then you go. It's high then it's low. You spin my head around. I need you so. I'm a different metaverse. I love you in every universe. Are you a blessing so I know a curse? So kiss it real life with you out. Real life with you out. Lost in space. You exist in another mental verse. To love you in every universe. So kiss it real life with you out. Real life with you out.
Now you live in a different place, and I'm here all on my own. But why don't you answer to my text? Got me rolling on my zone. It got me all alone. Used to fight and break my bones for you, and I don't know what had changed. I used to be the same as you, but it seems you switch your body on. I need a trust, need a trust, need a trust from you. So I finally sleep at nights, baby. Love all lost, got me lost. Don't know if it's true. But stay here for me.
What can I say from miles away to clear the air? Believe it is hard for me too, baby. The time is not our side, our picture is unclear. I want to make it work. I'm asking for your trust, 'cause the distance can tear us apart. We'll be holding hands at the end.
I need a trust, need a trust, need a trust from you. So I finally sleep at nights, baby. Life all lost, got me lost. Don't know if it's true. But stay here for me. I need a trust, need a trust, need a trust. I need a trust, need a trust, need a trust from you. Nine to five, it's a no risk. Point 2 CT, I ain't full lit. I'ma spend a couple racks on my necklace, but when it comes to money, I ain't realist.
Yeah, yeah, what I want. Yeah, yeah.
Ask my dad, I'm a nuisance. Go ask my girl, but I know gifts. Pure raving bags with no kicks. Don't know all I have, I don't take risks.
Can't help but fly. Yeah.
So throw that shit in reverse. Seeing things in slow to revert. All on my dick in 5 ways. I said I bought you a purse. Yeah, on my mama, she's got it. She dripping water, this on it. Yeah, get money in my car, some new friends. Just a means to an end. Exes miss me, yeah, I bet. Still living free in their heads. Been giving time out of margin. Trading my hands like they're options. I'm against shit, don't get involved. This shit comes at a cost. They call me a Gen Z, I prefer millennial renaissance. I get just what I want. Think I want more than one. She's thinking that I've had too much, but I'm just having fun. 925, it's a new reckless. 925, it's a new sin. Around on my necklace. Think I've been going crazy, look what you made me. So hot, turn off the AC, or something lazy. I know my neck's shining, I won't let my pride in. The thunder and lightning, like the eagle I'm fighting. Should throw that purse. I said I bought you a purse. Yeah, on my mama, she's got it. She dripping water, this on it. Yeah, get money on my cars and no friends. Just a means to an end. Exes miss me, yeah, I bet. Still live rent free in their heads. Been giving time out of margin. Trading my hands like they're options. I'm a king, shit, don't get involved. This shit comes at a cost. They call me a Gen Z, I prefer millennial renaissance. I get just what I want, think I want more than one. She's thinking that I've had too much, but I'm just having fun. I'm a king, shit, don't get involved. This shit comes at a cost. They call me a